Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are well, staying at home. I am also fine. Again, I am here to conduct your another English class. My today's class is for the students of first year of SSC level. Today, I want to teach you a poem. The name of the poem is Dreams. Dreams, written by Langston Hughes. At first, I want to give you some information about the poet. The full name of the poet is James Marker Langston Hughes. He was born on 1902 and died in May 22, 1967. He was an American poet. He was a poet, social activist, novelist, playwright, and columnist. He was a poet of motivation. The poem Dream is a motivational poem. First, I want to recite the poem, then I want to explain it line by line. Let's recite the poem. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. In the first stanza, we can see the poet use metaphor. Life is a broken winged bird. In the very beginning stanza of the poem, the poet advises the people to set up an aim to shine in life. Here, a dream means aim in life. Here the poet compares an aimless life with a broken wing bird using metaphor. In our life, if we have no dream, that means no aim, we cannot reach our peak of success. If we want to shine our life, very beginning of our life, we have to set the aim, what we want to be. So here the poet advises the people to hold the aim. If we hold the aim, we can be successful in our life. But if anyone has no goal, no fixed target, no fixed aim in life, he is like a bird which wings are broken. We know if a bird has wings but the wings are broken, it cannot fly in the sky independently. It just flaps but can't fly in the sky. Like that, if in our life, if there is no aim, we cannot shine in our life. We are just like the bird whose wings are broken. Here, the poet uses metaphor perfectly to make the intention of the poem to the reader. Now, I want to read out the second stanza of the poem. Hold fast to dreams. Again, the beginning sentence of the second stanza. The poet advises us to hold fast our dreams, that means our aim. For when dreams go, life is a barren field, frozen with snow. In the second stanza, the poet again uses metaphor. If we don't have any aim in life, our life becomes like a barren field. All of us, we know, in a barren field, no crops grow. Again, frozen with snow. In the frozen area, nothing can be grown. So, if we want to develop our life, if we want to shine our life, if we want to become successful man in the world, at first we have to set our target. At first we have to set our aim. If we set our aim, if we set our target, if we hold it strongly, we will be able to reach our reach the development. We can able to reach our peak of our success. So the writer here perfectly advises us to hold our aim in life. The author in this poem describes the importance of dreams in life. According to him, life is meaningless in the absence of dream. It is dream which provide a reason and a good for achieving success in our life. If we don't have any dream, any aim in our life, we cannot go our target perfectly. So dear students, my advice to you to set your dream, to set your target, to set your aim in life first. Then if you act according to your aim, if you act according to your target, if you act according to your dream, one day you will be able to reach your peak of success. So we have to maintain the advice of the poem. We have to maintain the advices of the poet given through this poem, and we will be successful one day if we follow the advice of the poet. So dear students, I think the poem is very clear to you, and if you feel any problem to read out the poem, you can contact with me and I will make it clear to you. So, and it is your homework, at least 3 or 4 times you read out the poem, then you write down the main theme of the poem or the summary of the poem, and you can share with me, and if you make any mistake, I will correct you. Thank you very much. Again, I advise you, stay at home, stay safe, and try to develop yourself. Study more and more. Thank you very much. Thank you.